Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. After me, we've got Shannon from FlukieFluidArt and Bubbles from venomfluidart. So, very short express this week. So, what I am going to do today is, I'm going to lay my colours down in stripes, then I'm going to swipe it two different directions. Then we'll do one where we just mix all the colours together and swipe it and show you the different results. So kick back, relax, here's some tunes.
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you want. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. 'Cause I wanna breathe when you breathe. I wanna hear your heartbeat. Don't need the space in between. I think you know what I'm feeling. I want your body on mine. nothing left to believe when you're fading. You're all that I need. It's so simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. It's so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been. All the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one. So simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. It's so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been. All the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one. But I want it, so why am I so into it when I know you and I is a physical thing we don't talk about. We just hide under the covers. I feel you closer. I want you to make me get lost in my body, lucid in my mind. Lie to me, tell me I'm yours tonight. Feel like I'm the one to lie, like I'm the one tonight.
Alrighty. That one turned out super cool. I far prefer mixing the colours up when you lay them down. That way you get all sorts of crazy different cells and all multicoloured rainbow type cells all through it. So rather than just solid strips of colour with cells through, I like this better. So, but yeah, there's 3 different ways of doing a swipe and getting 3 different results. So Bubbles is up next. The link will be in the chat. I'll put it in for you. Or if you're a member of Paint Boring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you get to see everybody on the Express and you don't get lost. If you've liked this, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.